There is a temple in coastal Karnataka where the goddess is not made of stone, not metal, not marble. She is made of river clay and she has stood for over 12 centuries. But the story of how she got there involves a king who lost everything, got it all back and then gave it away again. Stay with me till the end, you'll understand why. Suratha was a powerful king, a prosperous kingdom, a loyal army, a people who trusted him. Then he went to war with a fierce tribe of hunters, the Kolavidwamsi. The battle drained him. When he returned, his ministers saw their chance. They took his army, his treasury, his throne, the men he had trusted most, dismantled everything he had built. Overnight, the king had nothing, not even his name. He wandered into the forest of coastal Karnataka until they opened to a river, the Falguni. The Tulu people call this place Pural, a place where river turns. There he sat down, alone, undone, and asked the only question that mattered anymore. If the world can take everything away, is there anything that gives back? A sage named Sumedha was sitting nearby. He listened. Then he said quietly, "There is. Worship Adi Shakti. Here, on this river." Suratha and the sage found a place where the river had receded. From the clay of that very river bank, they shaped a murti of the goddess with their very own hands. They ate the smallest portions of food and they recited the Devi Sukta, Namo Devyai Mahadevyai, day after day, until she appeared. She gave him back his kingdom, his army, his throne. Everything the world had taken returned. But the king who stood there now was not the same man who had lost it. He understood something he could never have understood on that throne. Power was never his to begin with. So he took the throne from his own head, still studded with jewels, and placed it on hers. That murti still stands. Every 12 years, the Archakas apply Lepashtaka, a secret formula of 8 medicinal herbs passed down for centuries to seal the clay against time itself. She is not preserved by stone or metal. She is preserved by devotion. Local tradition holds the murti herself is far older. Some say over 5,000 years. The river clay she is made of has never been dated. At Sri Polali Rajarajeshwari temple by the Falguni river, over 12 centuries, still standing. The Tulu people never called her Rajarajeshwari. They called her Puralda Appe, the mother of Pural, the one who showed a broken king that what the world takes, she gives back, and what she gives, no one can ever take away. If you enjoyed watching this video, comment Jai Rajarajeshwari. Share this with someone who has lost hope. Follow me, the Temple Girl, for the real stories behind our temples and traditions. And I'll see you at the next temple.